Hello my colleagues, in today's video we are going to be comparing Binance, Bybit and Bitget, three of the top crypto exchanges in Nigeria when it comes to trading and investing in the crypto market. We will be comparing them based on user interface and experience, the security level of the exchanges and features. Then finally, we will try to identify which of them has a better customer support. Do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and without much talk, let's jump right into the video. Let's go. Starting with the user interface and experience, I would say Bybit is much easier to navigate than Binance and Bitget because Bybit makes it easy for users to be able to access some of the core features of their application. For example, when you log into the Bybit mobile application, on the home page, just below the total assets and deposit button, you will see a series of buttons which gives you access to different features Bybit has, and when you click on the more button, you even get access to other features. But this is not the case for Binance and Bitget. On the Binance app, when you log in on the home page, you can only see your total balance, and then below that you can see your favorite coins, hot coins, top gainers and the rest. You can see what creators on Binance are publishing about the crypto market, which is all good. But as a beginner, you might find it difficult to find some features on the app and might feel overwhelmed when looking for these features you want to get access to. As for Bitget, they applied the same strategy of Bybit of making users be able to access core features of the app from the home page. But my only problem is that it was put on a straight line and then the white color was used on the icons, and this could make you skip the fact that there are features that you can access right there on the home page. Personally, this happened to me. I did not know those icons that were lined up there were actually features, so I got lost and it took me some time to actually identify that those things were features. If I was to rank this application when it comes to user interface and experience, I would say Bybit first, Bitget second, and Binance third. Moving over to the security level of the exchanges, it's important to know that these three exchanges are very secured, and it would be quite difficult for anyone to say they want to hack your account. But at the end of the day, we need to know which of them has gone the extra mile in protecting their customers' fund. Well, I would say that the platform that has gone the extra mile is Bitget. On the three exchanges, you can protect your account through biometrics, Google Authenticator, mobile number and email. But what sets Bitget apart from the rest when it comes to security is that they went the extra mile in adding a security feature called anti-phishing code. This extra layer of security enables you to add a secret code that will be included in any official Bitget email that is sent to you, meaning that any email that is sent to you from Bitget that does not include that code, the email might likely be a scammer that is cloning Bitget and trying to scam you of your cryptocurrency coins. Well, if I was to rank these apps according to security level, Bitget, like I said, would be number one, while Binance and Bybit can both drag for who is number two. Now, heading over to features. First up, the most basic feature when it comes to investing in the crypto market is spot trading. All Shape platforms allow you to buy and sell cryptocurrency directly, which is perfect for beginners or those who prefer a straightforward approach. Next, we have margin trading. This is where things get interesting. Binance and Bitget offer margin trading where you can borrow funds to potentially increase your gains, but remember, higher rewards, higher losses as well. Bybit focuses more on derivatives, which we'll get into in a moment. Speaking of derivatives, this is where Bybit truly shines. They offer a robust selection of perpetual contracts and inverse perpetual contracts. But before we get into those, let's take a quick break to understand what these terms mean, especially for beginner traders. I want you to imagine a traditional futures contract, an agreement to buy or sell an asset at a specific price on a future date. Perpetual contracts are similar, but one key difference is that they never expire. Remember, perpetual. Think of it like a never-ending contract to buy or sell a cryptocurrency at a certain price. This allows traders to hold positions for as long as they want without worrying about the contract expiring and needing to be settled. But wait a second, let's add a twist. Inverse perpetual contracts are basically the opposite of regular perpetual contracts. With a regular perpetual contract, you profit if the price of the cryptocurrency goes up and lose money if it goes down. In an inverse perpetual contract, it is flipped. You profit if the price goes down and lose money if the price goes up. Now that we have cleared the air, let's get back into our comparison. Bybit offers a robust selection of both regular and inverse perpetual contracts, while Binance offers an even wider variety of derivatives, including option contracts. I'm going to proceed now in ranking these applications according to their features, while also explaining what sets them apart from each other. When it comes to features, Binance would come first. You see, the platform boasts of a very good P2P trading system. Though the Nigerian government recently cracked down on this, I believe on the long run it would still be reinstated. Binance also boasts of a staking feature, NFTs feature, and even launch pools for accessing new crypto projects. Binance is a one-stop shop for almost everything crypto. At number 2 in features, I would say Bybit. You see, Bybit makes navigating derivatives very simple. Their focus on perpetual contracts makes them a great choice for those interested in this specific trading style. Unlike Binance, whose P2P trading feature has been disabled right here in Nigeria, Bybit allows Nigerians to perform P2P transactions on their platform. Finally, Bitget would come third. You see, a key feature, or would I say the core selling point of Bitget, is their copy trading feature. This allows you to automatically copy the trades of successful users. This is actually a fantastic feature for beginners who want to learn from the pros. Let's head over to customer support to see which of them would do well here. When it comes to customer support, I would say that I was quite disappointed with the 3 exchanges, as they are very sluggish in responding to customers' complaints. In fact, I will be ranking them from the worst down to the best customer support. For the worst, I would give it to Bybit. Their customer support is very terrible. It takes them more than 24 hours to respond, and it begins to seem like they don't even value their customers. Hopefully, they improve. Next would be Bitget's customer support. Bitget's customer support is actually more active than that of Bybit and responds even a little bit faster. But the best among them when it comes to customer support is Binance. Their customer support is very proactive and even responds to you when you tag them on Twitter because of an issue that you are facing. Overall, if I were to rank this application after all the whole comparison I have just done now, I would say that ranking them depends on several factors and could vary based on the type of individual or type of trader that you are. Binance is the all-rounder. It is perfect for experienced traders who want to get access to a vast array of features, while Bybit is the derivatives champion. It is ideal for those comfortable with this particular trading style. Then Bitget is the beginner's body. It offers a very user-friendly feature and interface and an innovative copy trading option. Ultimately, the best way to choose is to explore each of the platform and see which one feels the most comfortable for you. I would leave a link to download the applications in the comment section, and I would appreciate if you use it to download any of the app that you find suitable, or you can use it to download all of them and test them and see which one is perfect for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe for more content related to business and finance. You can also go watch a video where I share my top crypto exchanges in Nigeria. See you over there. Ndewo.